Did you know that some of these machines can produce thousands of components in a matter of minutes? From precision cutting to mind-boggling assembly speed, these manufacturing machines are about to show their incredible capabilities. Stick around for the full show and be blown away by what these amazing machines can do. Here at MechMinds Hub, where knowledge and mechanics combine. Let's dive in. Automated robotic arms are pivotal in the car manufacturing process, playing a vital role in various essential tasks. These highly efficient machines are adept at swiftly and precisely handling crucial activities such as welding, painting, and assembling various components of automobiles. Their rapid and accurate execution of these tasks significantly accelerates the overall production timeline for cars. Moreover, their contribution extends beyond speed, as they are instrumental in upholding the stringent quality standards paramount in the automotive industry. In essence, these robotic arms stand as indispensable tools in the production line, seamlessly marrying speed and precision to ensure the creation of high-quality cars. Okay, imagine making airplanes and spaceships with this machine called 3D printing. 3D printing is like a high-tech magic trick that crafts detailed and light parts for planes and spaceships. Why is it a big deal? Well, it's shaking things up in how we make these flying machines. With 3D printing, we can now create parts that were tricky to make before. And when we use these new parts, planes get lighter, and they start using fuel way better. It's like a double win. In the big world of making flying things, 3D printing is like a tech superhero. It's making the whole process smoother and bringing in some smart ways to make airplane parts with a lot of innovation. Pretty cool, huh? Think of very intelligent devices in metal workshops. With the addition of sensors and artificial intelligence, these CNC machines have become even more advanced. Now, if the metal they're working on changes slightly, they can adjust their plans quickly. This allows them to do activities like shaping and cutting metal parts with outstanding accuracy and speed. These intelligent devices of metal shaping in metalworking operations. They can handle various metal types and make real-time adjustments thanks to their powerful AI and sensors. Because of this, the entire process of manufacturing metal is much improved, as these machines operate with greater accuracy and efficiency. You know when you order stuff online, right? Well, in those big warehouses where they handle all those orders, there are these super smart systems at work. They're called automated sorting systems, and they're like the unsung heroes of online shopping. Picture it like this: conveyor belts, robot arms, and super smart computers team up to figure out where each package should go. It's like a well-choreographed dance behind the scenes. These systems are not just cool, they're the reason your online orders get sorted crazy fast and end up at your door in a flash. So, in the world of online shopping, these smart sorting systems are helpful, making sure everything happens quickly and smoothly. Picture this: super smart machines helping farmers grow better crops. These machines, like high-tech tractors, use GPS and special sensors to do things with pinpoint accuracy. They help make sure seeds go exactly where they should. Fertilizers are just right, and the harvest is perfect. The result? Awesome crops and less waste. And guess what? Farmers have flying robots or drones on their team too. These drones zoom around, checking on the plants and fields. The data they gather helps farmers make really smart choices about what to grow. With these cool machines and flying helpers, farming is getting super precise and way more productive. Ever heard of 3D metal printing? It's this incredible tech that works like magic to create unique metal parts. Picture this: making intricate and one-of-a-kind metal creations, almost like bringing ideas to life. Now, why is this so helpful? Because it's very important for businesses that need custom-made parts. Think about it. You can get super creative and design things in all sorts of unique ways. It's not just about making the usual stuff. It's about making things specifically tailored to what's needed. In the world of industries that work with metal, 3D printing is like a primary tool. Thanks to this technology, Industries can now craft metal objects in ways that were impossible before. It's like having a creative tool that sparks innovation in metal making. So, imagine the possibilities. Industries creating all sorts of metal wonders in new, inventive ways, thanks to the magic of 3D metal printing. Imagine robots that work hand in hand with humans in factories. Those are called collaborative robots or cobots. Unlike traditional robots, cobots are designed to be super friendly and work alongside people. They're like helpful teammates, making tasks in manufacturing much easier. These robots are smart and safe, making sure they don't accidentally bump into their human co-workers. So, in the world of manufacturing, cobots are like the cool and helpful buddies that help get the job done efficiently while working seamlessly with the human team. Imagine intelligent machines producing better and faster clothing. In the apparel manufacturing industry, automated systems are considered abilities. They handle every step of the process, including fabric cutting, stitching, and packing of the completed garments. These remarkable machines maintain the highest quality of clothing while producing items far more quickly and affordably. This is why these machines are a huge deal in the apparel industry. They ensure that the clothing is of the highest caliber, while also expediting and lowering costs. It resembles a group of incredible machines together to produce clothing for everyone. For making plastic objects, intelligent injection molding machines are comparable to high-tech experts. These devices may make real-time adjustments to their operations to guarantee the highest quality molded products through the use of sensors and intelligent data analysis. These aren't your average molding machines either. They have the ability to instantly adjust their settings in response to variations in the material they are using. This implies that every plastic product they produce, be it a toy or a component, is of a constant caliber. These intelligent injection molding machines are changing the manufacturing industry by increasing process efficiency and product accuracy. By improving surgical techniques, robotic surgery systems are transforming the medical device production industry. With the use of these cutting-edge devices, doctors can perform precise, minimally invasive surgeries. They are invaluable instruments in the medical profession. These robotic technologies greatly enhance patient outcomes by helping to develop innovative medical gadgets. In addition to helping surgeons during procedures, their accuracy and capabilities open the door for the creation of cutting-edge medical technologies that raise the bar for patient care in the healthcare sector. As we end this video, we want to hear your thoughts. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.